Oh my god, dami ko tumawa. Wee! 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 Oh my god, wee!
Well, alright. Today we are making the old man. Let's jump right into it. From Squid Game. This is the wrinkles, and then you go to the skin color, and then this hairstyle here. It matches. I don't know why that was so long. Alright, so then we do the gray, and then we do eyebrows. Pick these right here. The closest I can get to it. Position. You can pause the video if you have to. Alright, and then gray again, and the eyes. Kind of have those squinty eyes. Then you go to nose, and then that. Going a little fast. Pause the video if you have to. Position. And then we're doing mustache, his little facial hair. Position. And then go to the mole, no mole. Body. Make him a little skinnier. Yeah, I mean, that's pretty much it. I fucking love the series Squid Game. So does my wife. So big fan. So I had to make this meme maker.